In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load smart roaming number using Gcash. Whether you're topping up your own roaming SIM or helping a friend or family member while they're abroad, this quick walkthrough will keep things simple and stress-free. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection, your Gcash app is updated, and you have enough balance or a linked payment source to cover the load you plan to send. Start by opening the Gcash app on your phone. If the app asks you to sign in, do so securely and only on your personal device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Load button. This is where Gcash lets you purchase mobile load. Tap it to continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a category. Select Telco so you can load a mobile number. This tells Gcash you want to buy regular mobile load rather than, say, gaming credits or other digital items. From the list of mobile networks, choose Smart. Even if the SIM is roaming, it's still a smart number, so this is the correct network to select. Now, enter the mobile number you want to load. If the person is outside the country and you're asked for an international format, type the number with the country code, such as +63, followed by the rest of the digits without the leading 0. If you're entering it in standard local format, double-check each digit to avoid sending load to the wrong number. Take a moment to confirm it's the roaming SIM you intend to top up. If your contacts are synced and you prefer selecting from your address book, you can use that to reduce typing errors. After the number is in place, choose the amount you want to load. You'll see available denominations and, in many cases, options that bundle data or calls. Pick the amount that matches the recipient's needs and your budget. Keep in mind that roaming usage can be more demanding, so consider an amount that comfortably covers essential calls, texts, or data. If you're unsure, start with a modest denomination and adjust next time based on actual usage. That's it for the selection process. You've opened Gcash, tapped Load, chosen Telco, selected Smart, entered the correct mobile number, and picked the load amount. Give everything one last look to ensure accuracy. With these steps, you're set up to load a smart roaming number smoothly and confidently using Gcash whenever the need arises.